Welcome back to Doll Star Diecast. Got a Friday night Johnny Lightning show. Let's crack it. Alright. So yeah, I got a couple of Johnny Lightnings today at Walmart. So gonna crack those, and then I also grabbed another deal from Kelly's Toy Stop on the surf rods. So up first, look at this one. Now, I don't know if I've opened this one yet or not, but seems to me I may have. For some reason, it could have been a different color. This is release 1 of the 1964 Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. Whoops. Hang on. Alright, sorry. Alright, hang on. So yeah, I thought I may have opened this. I have the card. I just can't find the car anywhere. Look through my Johnny Lightning stuff, and I must have put it somewhere else. But anyway, if you'd like to read that, because I've already read it once, you're more than welcome to. So Viking blue is the color. And here's the car. I don't usually like showing them this way. I like to take them out. But I don't need two of these, so that's that barn find. Sorry about that. But I got this. I got in a bag at Savers a little while ago. It's a Johnny Lightning. Marty Robbins, 42. Good years. It's got some played with value right there. I don't know who Marty Robbins is. But this car looks cool. And the car is probably not going to say what it is. But if you know that tool number, you can look it up. And to me, it looks like, oh, I think the hood opens maybe? Yeah. But it doesn't stay open, so you gotta hold it. There's the motor. Looks like a Dodge Challenger. Some type of Dodge. Sorry about that, Marty. But up next, we'll look at this one. 57 Heaven. It's the customized Street Freaks. And 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Release 1. I don't know what's up with this focus. Okay, it's a limited edition. One of 12,450. It's kind of limited. The 57 Chevy Bel Air has some of the most famous fins in the history of the automobile. The two-door wagon version of the 57 Chevy Bel Air was called the Nomad. This is cobalt blue metallic. And here's the back of the card. And that's the set right there that you can get. It looks like some cool ones. Hopefully I can find a few more. Pretty cool. That one looks cool right there. Oh. It's a 3/9/2022 card. Let's open it. Okay, there it is. The 57 Chevy Bel Air. Johnny Lightning. That's the card. The set. Here's the car. Pretty sweet. Whoa, cool deco on the back. Pinstriping on the trunk lid looks awesome. And there it is, the Bel Air. That looks cool. Look at that back window. And I don't know if lighting up the interior was going to work. Might be too bright to look at. There's the back seat. Yeah, see. And there it is, the 57 Chevy Bel Air. And rubber tires. Hubcaps could be a little better. Front looks cool. Windshield wipers, stripes on the top. Yeah. It's a nice one. Okay, now I got some surf rods. No particular order. Just gonna go. I got this whole collection. There's 3, 6, 8 of them. And I asked the guy how much for all of them. And threw out the number and I said, sold. I said, you sure? He goes, yeah. All right, sold. So let's crack them. Up first, Mastering Pipeline, 1963. The Laguna Longboarders. And here's the back of the card. There are differences. A few of them are different on the back of the card. I don't want to read all that. You guys might get bored. But if you want to read that, you can. And that. And this one is a 6-car set. So I have I think 2 of these. And there's all the surf spots. And I've surfed the west side, but not those beaches. And over here, I've surfed Sunset. I didn't surf Pipeline. But over here, there's my spot, Huntington Beach. I'm out there almost every day. Hey. And I've surfed pretty much all these spots except for Seacoast Beach. From Malibu, Manhattan, Torrance, Redondo, Palos Verdes. Sweet. Let's open it. There it is, the Laguna Longboarders. Mastering Pupukea. 1963, that's what that is. Pupukea. Pupukea. But yeah. 1963, this was it. Wait a minute. Longboarders. There's the boards on top. Beds covered. It's like they're walking all over the car. Their dirty feet. Hey. And doesn't say what it is. 1997 on the bottom. 560 is the number. The card's a 2000 card. So it's probably at least over 20 years old, I'm guessing. Pretty sweet. Longboarders. And here's another one in that set. Redondo Gonzos. Card's the same on the back. Let's open it. Okay, here's the Redondo Gonzos. And here's Labor Day at San Onofre in 1963. And I remember it looking that shack on the beach. I used to go there in like 1973. So 10 years after this, I went there with my next door neighbor. There's nothing on the back of those cars. But here's the car. Doesn't say what it is. But that looks like the tool number right there. P415. Cool tires and rims. And let's see if we can see the interior a little bit. Looks okay. And we didn't look at the last one's interior. It looks a lot better. Sweet. So far, the Laguna longboarders are taking the show, but this one's making its bid right now. Gonzos. That looks pretty cool. And I believe this is a Chevy El Camino, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like the hood opens, but oh, it does. There's the motor. No detail on it. Alright, there's the Gonzos. Making its bid. And up next, let's see what we got here. That's another set. 18. 12. 12. Alright, the 18s will do last. So the back of these cars are going to all look the same. This is the 12 car. Collect all 12 surf rods. And there they are. And I have 3 of them. And major surfing beaches and surf towns of Southern California. Sweet. And of Hawaii, Oahu. And this card looks like it's a 2000 card also. Okay, let's open it. Matter of fact, I'll open all 3. Okay, there they are. So we'll look at this one first. Here's the card. The Bonsai Pipeline claims another. Guy going over the falls. He's going to get slammed. It's about a 10-foot, 15-foot drop. Straight to the pit. And his car is this one. Torrance Terrors. And supposedly these are all Chevys, but I'm not No, car guy, I don't know for sure. Oh, this says Ford. The card has a Chevy emblem on it. Sorry. So this is a Ford Model A, 1929. Sick. How cool would it be to roll in this? Like that. With your boards in the back. Oh yeah, it's a Ford. Super cool. Look at that motor. You'd be the kingpin. That thing is sweet. I'm liking Torrance. Let's check the interior. The steering wheel could be a little better, but there is some detail on the dash. Back in those days, there really wasn't much at all. That looks sweet. And next, we'll look at this one. And it says, waxed up and ready to go at Torrance Beach, 1964. There they are. That's how they surf in Torrance. I've only surfed there maybe 1 or 2 times. And nothing on the back. And here's I don't know what this is, and if it says it's a 50 Ford F1. Sweet. Hermosa Beach Bums. Yeah. Look at that. Pretty cool. And these all have plastic tires, but the rims are all cool. And this guy's rolling some cool longboards. Hermosa Beach Bums. Sweet. Let's take a look at the interior real quick. Interior's looking a little better on this one. Nice. And here's the front detail. And looks like the hood opens, but I could be wrong. And it does. And there's your motor. Okay. Sweet. I'm still liking Torrance best. And next will be this one here. This 1930 mail truck delivered more than mail to Hermosa Beach in 1963. But on the car it says Waimea Mamas. So they're not Hermosa Beach, this rod. They're in Hawaii, Oahu. And there's his boards. And this one is a Chevy, 54 Chevy panel. 1994 casting release, though. Let's check out the interior. Ooh, it's got a shifter. Looking cool. Seats are cool. And can you see in back? Doesn't look like anything's back there. Here's the rear deco. Waimea Mama. Yeah. Got my new favorite. Here's the front. And it doesn't look like this hood's opening. There's the Waimea Mamas. And got two left. Look at this one first, and we don't need to look at the back of the other card because it's going to be the same as this one. So we'll look at the back real quick. And it pretty much says the same thing, except for that's different. This one's an 18 car set. And there they all are, and I happen to have two, but I may have some in the, that I've already opened, and I'm sure I do. So let's open these two. Let's open them. Okay, here they are. Look at this one first. Whoops. And this one says, ringing in the new year, New Year's Eve in Makaha, 1963. And I haven't surfed Makaha. And her ride's the Bahama Mamas. Let's check it. And interior is looking pretty good. I like the steering wheel. The bench seat is cool. And looks like there may be a glove box. Cool. There's your boards right there. Pretty cool. And does it say what it is? No, it doesn't. It looks like a George Barris truck. The tail light set up. Could be wrong. There it is. And next, a surfer who knows what he wants. Hermosa Pier, 1963. Well, I don't know if he's pulling her hair or what, but Okay. But here's his ride. The big Kahuna. Okay. It's looking sweet. Got some running boards right there. Nice. And let's check the interior. Could be the game breaker. Oh, the steering wheel. Oh. Definitely in the wrong spot. And it's right on the front seat, so oh well. The outside looks sick. I like the surfboards. Good choice. Rear detail is awesome. That wave looks sick. So yeah. Just so you guys know, I don't ride a longboard. My board's 5'8". And there's the motor. Cool. Kind of looks like maybe a Ford, but I could be wrong. The big Kahuna. And that's my show for tonight. Let's do a little close-up. Okay, there they are. Let's check them. '57 Chevy. That's a Ford. That's a Chevy. Probably a Ford. Chevy, probably. George Barris, my guess. Waimea Mamas. The Beach Bums from Hermosa. And the Lone Savers car. Looks like a Dodge or a Plymouth. Maybe a Plymouth Roadrunner. But it's a sweet one. And the mystery car I can't find. But that's my show for tonight. Thank you for watching. And until next time, this is Dollstar Diecast. And we're out for now.